Emerging markets like the UAE are dynamic and diverse, offering both opportunities and challenges. Here, ethical leadership isn't just ideal, it's essential for navigating complex cultural and regulatory landscapes. In these markets, ethical leadership acts as a compass, guiding organizations through cross-cultural business ambiguities. It's a practical necessity for sustainable success, transforming theoretical ideals into real-world applications. Ethical leadership transcends mere compliance, focusing on decision-making rooted in moral principles. It's about influencing others positively, even when no one is watching. In culturally diverse environments like the UAE, leaders must navigate a mosaic of values and traditions, ensuring decisions respect diverse cultural expectations. Cultural intelligence, CQ, is crucial for ethical leadership. It involves understanding and respecting cultural nuances, avoiding imposition, and adapting communication styles to ensure clarity and respect. What is cultural intelligence, CQ? Cultural intelligence is the ability to understand, respect, and work effectively with people from different cultures. It's like emotional intelligence, but focused on cross-cultural situations. Why is it important? In today's global world, we interact with people from diverse backgrounds, at work, in schools, and in communities. Cultural intelligence helps us avoid misunderstandings, build stronger relationships, work better in diverse teams, adapt to new environments. How leaders can demonstrate cultural intelligence. An ethical leader with high CQ doesn't just tolerate differences, they value them. Here's how they do it. 1. Learn and listen. Leaders take time to understand the cultural backgrounds of their team members. They ask questions, listen actively, and avoid assumptions. 2. Adapt communication. They adjust their tone, style, and approach depending on the cultural context. For example, being more direct in some cultures and more diplomatic in others. 3. Model respect and inclusion. They show respect for traditions, holidays, and values. They create safe spaces where everyone feels heard and valued. 4. Encourage diverse perspectives. Leaders with CQ invite input from people with different viewpoints. They use these insights to make better, more inclusive decisions. 5. Build trust across cultures. By being consistent, fair, and open-minded, they earn trust from diverse teams. They avoid favoritism and promote equity. An ethical leader with high CQ appreciates deep-rooted cultural values and synthesizes diverse perspectives, fostering an inclusive and respectful environment. What is principled pluralism? Principled pluralism is the idea that people from different backgrounds, beliefs, and cultures can coexist respectfully while staying true to their own values. It's not about forcing everyone to agree. It's about creating space for diverse perspectives to thrive within shared ethical boundaries. How it works for leaders and HR professionals. For leaders, lead with integrity and respect. They uphold core values, for example, fairness, dignity, while embracing cultural differences. They don't compromise principles but remain open to diverse viewpoints. Make inclusive decisions. Leaders consider input from people with different cultural lenses. They balance unity with diversity, ensuring decisions reflect shared goals without erasing individual identities. Model ethical behavior. They show how to disagree respectfully. They create environments where people feel safe to express their beliefs. For HR professionals, design inclusive policies. HR ensures policies respect cultural and religious practices, for example, holidays, dress codes, while maintaining fairness. Resolve conflicts with cultural sensitivity. HR uses principled pluralism to mediate disputes, acknowledging differences while reinforcing shared values like respect and equity. Promote diverse hiring and development. They recruit and support talent from varied backgrounds, ensuring everyone has equal opportunity to grow. Principled pluralism involves upholding universal ethics like honesty and fairness while adapting them to different cultural contexts. It's about finding balance without compromising core values. Consider performance reviews. Fairness is universal, but feedback methods may vary culturally. Leaders must adapt to ensure effective communication and understanding. Clear decision-making processes and accountability systems are vital to prevent favoritism. Transparency builds trust, ensuring all employees understand and adhere to ethical standards. In a case study, an SME faced a bribery dilemma. The CEO's principled stance and transparent communication reinforce the company's integrity, ultimately securing the contract on merit. Ethical leadership demands moral courage, especially when short-term gains conflict with long-term principles. Leaders must make tough decisions, refusing unethical practices despite pressures. In business, this means standing firm against bribery or discrimination, even when it risks immediate opportunities. Courage and conviction are essential for maintaining integrity. Ambiguity undermines trust and performance. Verbal agreements and undocumented policies create confusion, eroding accountability and strategic clarity. Clear compensation strategies and documented policies are crucial. They align individual goals with organizational objectives, fostering a culture of trust and meritocracy. Ethical leadership is a daily practice of negotiation and empathy. It builds trust, enhances reputation, and ensures sustainability in diverse markets like the UAE. By committing to ethical leadership, organizations not only achieve success, but also contribute positively to society. It's a call to action for a better, more ethical world. Recap. We've explored the importance of ethical leadership in emerging markets, the role of cultural intelligence, and the necessity of transparency and courage in decision-making. Takeaway. By embracing ethical leadership, you'll build trust and sustainability, ensuring long-term success and societal contribution. Call to action. Let's commit to ethical leadership. Implement these principles in your organization today, and together we'll create a more ethical and prosperous future. Thank you for watching. Remember, ethical leadership is not just a choice, it's an imperative for a better society. Let's lead with integrity and make a difference.